Did you know kennel cough spreads like wildfire among dogs? This highly contagious respiratory infection can make your furry friend very ill. Understanding kennel cough is essential for every pet owner. Kennel cough is primarily caused by a virus. It can lead to a severe cough in dogs. Most dogs, however, recover within weeks with proper care. But what can you do to protect your beloved pet? First, know the symptoms. A dry, hacking cough is the most obvious sign. Other signs include sneezing, lethargy, and a runny nose. If you notice these symptoms, be proactive. Next, consider vaccinations. Vaccinations can shield your dog from kennel cough. Talk to your vet about the best options available. Remember, prevention is always better than treatment. If your dog gets diagnosed, keep them away from other pets. Isolation prevents the spread of the infection. Ensure they stay hydrated and receive plenty of rest. You may wonder how it spreads. Kennel cough spreads through air droplets or contact. Busy places like dog parks and kennels are hotspots. Being aware can help you keep your dog safe. For extra care, maintain indoor air quality. Humidifiers can soothe your dog's throat. Remember, clean feeding bowls and toys often to prevent infections. In summary, kennel cough is serious but manageable. Watch for symptoms, consult your vet, and take preventive steps. Protecting your dog from this illness starts with being informed. Take action today. Educate yourself, talk to your vet, and keep your dog safe. Subscribe for more pet care tips.